Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. In today's video, we are going to talk about my favorite hobby. This video will help you practice listening and speaking English. So, make sure to repeat the sentences after me and try to understand each word. Don't forget to stay till the end of the video because I'll also share some useful tips to talk about your hobbies in English. Let's begin. Everyone has a hobby, right? A hobby is something you love to do in your free time. It helps you relax and feel happy. Some people like to draw, some love to cook, and others enjoy playing sports. A hobby is not just fun, but it can also teach you something new. In this video, I'll tell you all about my favorite hobby and why I enjoy it so much. Let's go. My favorite hobby is reading books. I love reading because it takes me to a different world. When I read a book, I feel like I'm on an adventure. Books help me learn new words and improve my imagination. I started reading when I was a child, and since then, I never stopped. I enjoy reading fiction, history, and sometimes even science books. Reading is not just fun, it's also a great way to learn. I usually read in the evening after finishing my work. I make a cup of tea, sit on my sofa, and open my favorite book. It feels so relaxing. Sometimes, I read just one chapter. Other times, I read for hours. I always keep a dictionary with me, so if I find a new word, I can learn its meaning. Reading helps me understand the world better and gives me new ideas to talk about. Some of my favorite books are adventure stories. I love reading about characters who travel, explore, and solve problems. One of my favorite books is Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Verne. It's full of action and excitement. Books like these inspire me to learn about new places and different cultures. They make me want to travel the world one day and see all the beautiful places I've read about. Reading also improves my English. I learn new grammar, sentence structures, and vocabulary from books. Sometimes I even write down new words in a notebook. Later, I try to use them in my daily conversations. If you want to speak English better, reading is one of the best ways to improve. Just find books that you enjoy and start reading a little bit every day. Do you know the difference between a hobby and a habit? A hobby is something you enjoy doing, like painting or dancing. A habit is something you do regularly, like brushing your teeth. Reading is both my hobby and my habit. I read because I enjoy it, but I also do it every day. That's why I get better and better with time. So, find a hobby that helps you grow too. Let's practice some more speaking. Repeat after me. Reading books helps me improve my English. One more time. Reading books helps me improve my English. Now say, I read every day because it makes me happy. Repeat again. I read every day because it makes me happy. Practicing like this will make your English stronger and more natural. Maybe your hobby is different. That's totally okay. You might enjoy painting, singing, or even gardening. No matter what your hobby is, you can talk about it in English. Let's try a small speaking exercise. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Ready? My favorite hobby is painting. Again. My favorite hobby is painting. Now, I like painting because it is creative and fun. One more time. I like painting because it is creative and fun. Keep practicing like this with your own hobby. It's a great way to build confidence. Hobbies also help us meet new people. For example, if you like playing football, you can join a team. If you enjoy photography, you can join an online group. You can meet people who share the same interests as you. And the best part is, you can practice English with them too. Talking about your hobby is a great conversation starter. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about my favorite hobby and practiced your English, speaking and listening. Don't forget to write in the comments, what is your favorite hobby? I'd love to read your answers. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. See you in the next video, and keep practicing English every day.